What happens if a person starts sneezing very often? At first, it feels harmless and temporary. Day 3, after a few days, sneezing becomes frequent. The body reacts to constant irritation. Day 7, after about a week, physical strain appears. Each sneeze puts stress on the head, neck, and chest. Day 14, by the second week, fatigue builds up. The body spends energy on non-stop reflex reactions. Day 21, around the third week, discomfort increases, headaches, muscle tension, and dizziness may occur. Day 30, after 30 days, the body adapts to the stress, but constant sneezing is a warning, not a normal state.